The stock market is rigged, and on March 28th, the only good option alert we sent the entire session was on Tesla. And March 28th was a little bit weird. Markets closed Friday, Good Friday, Jesus type stuff, and basically Wall Street did not actively participate. We'll look at SPY, we'll look at NVIDIA, volume was low. Here we see tradability on easy mode for Tesla. We expect to go 3 strikes plus. It doesn't happen, but we still get the best alert. Let's look at this thing. Absolutely crazy. 8,422 score, 8.4 million roughly, and roughly 3 million. So when you see two massive trades like this back to back, it's a call spread of some sort, right? It's a spread trade. And the only thing we like to think about here at Rigged is the bear side is much bigger than the bull side, right? And this is why it's great, because it comes in when PS is neutral, right? We're at the blue line. And the only thing you need to think about is like, hey, they have 8.4 million in bearish flow versus 3 million in bullish flow. Which way do you think Wall Street is going to go? That's it. Simple. Look at this thing. You go straight down. Like never even comes close to touching 177.50 again. You buy and hold that thing until the end, you're getting 133%. 133%. Could have had a little bit more, 70% more, a little bit more than a little bit. But right, that is the only good trade of the day. And we make it easy for you to understand. 8.4 million versus 3 million. Which side do you think Wall Street is on? Where does Tesla go? Straight down. Let's look at SPY. Nightmare mode. Okay, nightmare, do not trade before 1300. 1300, you're at the blue. You get some bulls, you get a bear. Absolutely nothing's happening before this total garbage pump, right? Get this pump at 1445. That's just killing. 0 DTE, whatever. We need to know and recognize, right? Only trade bulls below with negative PS and bears plus PS. So if we miss this rally and we're still trading, even though nothing's really happening the entire day, we can take this one. Why? Because it's a bear above the blue. Okay? Is it a great trade? 59%, 24 minutes? No, absolutely not. But did you win, right? Did you win? Did you get right below 524 instantly? Sure. Not great. That's nightmare mode. And that's what we expect. And as long as you know you want bulls below and bears above, right? You won. One trade. That's it. QQQ, absolutely disgusting. Nothing. The same 0 DTE pump, right? Just pump, and then we just close right below the blue. Nothing happening. NVIDIA, normal mode. Normal mode, we expect to go 2 strikes. And what happens? Well, from the blue, we go up 2. 910 is 2. It comes down, it goes back up, and then you just chop the rest of the session at 905 before closing slightly below it. I mean, there was nothing happening. These alerts at the end do absolutely nothing. It was a garbage day. That's okay, right? We look at last Friday on NVIDIA. Boom, right? Look at this. Tradability is now going to update throughout the session. It didn't do it here. It should have done it here. But this is what you want, right? Crazy price action versus Nothing. Chop. Terrible, terrible, terrible. AMD, don't think there was anything. I mean, you get basically a strike higher. It looked like it was going to keep going. But you have to know, when volume's coming down, expect nothing. And they basically closed this thing flat, slightly above the 180 strike. When we have weird stuff in the market, which is basically, hey, the market's closed on Friday, it's Thursday. Unless you see this white line just ramping up, go live your life, man. Go touch grass. Go do whatever it is you like to do. But the important thing is the system works because I'm telling you not to trade. I mean, you could have taken this, I guess. Easy mode, right? Okay, easy mode. We don't get this one. I mean, you get it slightly, right? 18%, so you stop out. But then when this comes in, because Tesla should be the only name we're paying attention to, because it has volume, boom. I mean, 8.4 million in bear flow versus 3 million in bull flow. Who's going to win? The bears. 100% trade. The best one of the day. Follow tradability. Email alerts now coming out directly to your inbox when it happens. It's the signal. Lock in. Have any questions? Always ask the extremely talented, somewhat handsome members of the Discord. Have a great day. Let's hope April brings some volatility, brings some tradability. 20x returns. Who says no?